Let's make some Asian style ribs in the slow cooker. So I have about 3 pounds of ribs because most likely only one of my kids will eat this. I have about 3/4 of a cup of beef stock, 3/4 of a cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1/3 a cup of brown sugar. I'm gonna put that in here as I make a big splash. I'm gonna get about a teaspoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of ginger paste. Oh, I left my tablespoon over here. This is gonna cook on low for about 8 hours. I love that I just set it and forget it. So I'm gonna mix that all up. Okay, so this is how much ginger I'm using. This is 1 tablespoon. If I could get it in there. This is how much garlic I use. And then 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil. Mix it all together really well. And then you're gonna pour it all over the ribs in the slow cooker. I had to cut the ribs in half to get them to fit. You cook them on low for 7 to 8 hours with the lid on. And then after that, you can make a cornstarch slurry if you so choose. I will show you that at the end.